Nadir presents 5 astonishing truths where human genetics meets Earth's oddities, revealing secrets behind body mysteries and natural wonders. First, a small group carries genetic mosaics that split cells into different traits, creating invisible patches inside the same person. Second, certain populations exhibit ultra-rare pigment shifts like blue sclera and roseate irises, stunning doctors and laypeople alike. Third, the enduring glow of bioluminescent fungi and algae in forests and seas shows life, literally lighting the night. Fourth, some creatures regenerate limbs and organs in ways that hint at ancient genetics, reshaping medicine and survival stories.